소녀시대, 소녀시대. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is sonyo. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word sonyo. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 238. Sonyo, sonyo. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is so, second syllable is nyo. Pronounce it with me. Sonyo, sonyo, sonyo. The word sonyo is the Korean term for a girl. Again, sonyo is the Korean term for a girl. We have encountered a similar term which is yoja, but yoja is more likely used as woman, while sonyo is more likely used as a girl. How do we write sonyo in Hangul? Let's do it per syllable. To be able to write the syllable so in Hangul, we need to draw first a siyat character followed by an o character. For the second syllable nyo, we need to draw first a neon character followed by the ya character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word sonyo. Now let's try to look into this example phrase. It says, girls' generation. Again, girls' generation. This is actually a name of a K-pop group. And in Korean, this is translated as Soñosidae. Again, Soñosidae. This is also the term flashed at the beginning of the video. Soñosidae could be divided into two. Sonya is our word for today, which we already know as girl. The second word is shide. This is actually a term for era, time, or generation. So shide means era, time, or generation. So when we say Soñosidae, it means girls' era. It could also mean girls' time, or it could also mean girls' generation. And as mentioned earlier, there is a K-pop group called Girls' Generation. So the Korean translation of their name is actually Soñosidae. And that is why they are also called SNSD. If you notice, the first letters of the syllables of Sonyo are S, N. And then the first letters of the syllables of Shide are S, D. So, Soñosidae is equal to SNSD. So those are just the first letters of the syllables of Soñosidae. So again, girls' generation, Soñosidae, SNSD. And Sonyo means girl. And with that, you've just learned Sonyo. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 228 to 237. But don't forget our word for today, word number 238, Sonyo, which means girl. Word number 237 is mal, which means word. Word number 236 is 아무것도, which means anything or nothing. Word number 235 is 나라, which means country. Word number 234 is 도시, which means city. Word number 233 is 화장실, which means bathroom. Word number 232 is 졸업하다, which means to graduate. Word number 231 is 년, which means year. Word number 230 is Hyogi, which means here. Word number 229 is hu, which means after. And the last for our review, word number 228, chone, which means before or formerly. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.